Afternoon po. No quick background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private. So unang-una po sa mga nakatayo po, ayan, umpo lang po tayo. And guys, do not attempt to capture their animal ambassadors because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom to give you a message, and that is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and do not destroy their habitats. That's why, please help us with our mission in conserving our animal ambassadors. Yes, hallelujah. Okay, one more for energy. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Gusto kong energy sa inyo, folks. Alright now, guys, let's meet our 3 raptors. Una will giving you his will come and fly. Now may I call on Dominic, our Brahminican. Si Dominic, folks. There you go. Palapakan naman po natin si Dominic, folks. Alright, awesome, folks. That is Dominic, our Brahminican, or also known as the Manug. Now, Brahminicans are the birds of prey, or raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapier, meaning to seize or to drag. And as you notice po, Kuya Cyril natin doon is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. And siya si Kuya Jimar sa center. Okay, now Dominic. Good. There you go. And as you can see, guys, Dominic soared or flew and snatch his food. Kuya Jimar. So ganyan po yung ginagawa nila sa wild, guys. And once again, folks, ipapakita yan ulit ni Dominic po. At ulit, I am Dominic. One more. Good. There you go. Ay, guys, palakpakan po natin si Dominic, folks. Diba? Ang galing. Okay, now guys, Brahminican. Now may I call on ang cute, Nasingkali, our Eastern grass owl. Siyempre kasama dito, ang kanyang personal trainer, Kuya Michael. Alright, now Kali. There you go. Palapakan po natin si Kali, folks. Alright, once again, guys, that is Kali, our Eastern grass owl. Now, folks, grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they can able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Kaya naman, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when they are in flight. Because sabihin, hindi mo natin maririnig ang kanilang mga papa kapag sila ay lumilipad. And that's all for Kali. Palapakan po natin sila ulit. And thank you so much sa inyo guys. At syempre, take ng pictures and videos, guys. Ulitin ko itong sasabihin sa inyo. Okay, paki-turn off lang po sa ating mga flash. Okay, baka kasi ma-distract sila, guys. Lilipad sila palayo. Okay? Maraming salamat po sa pag-intindi. At mukhang okay na. Now guys, sa our last raptor. Ito folks, malaki ito folks. Alright, now may I call on Lakas, our white-bellied seagull. There you go. Palakpakan po natin sila Lakas. Okay, now sir, ayun si Sir. Pakita na po sa flash. Sir, ayan, maraming salamat. Okay naman sila guys. That is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with Kuya Dexter. At syempre, again, sir, ayun si Sir na naka-white. Ayan, naka-Celtex. Okay. Again, pakita na po. Guys, paki-double check lang po natin ang ating mga cameras po, ha? Alright, baka kasi sila guys, ma-distract ko at lilipad sila pala. Maraming salamat po talaga sa pag-intindi. Okay, once again folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Haliacus leopogaster. Leopo meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and also here in the Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines because their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanilang mga pakpak. Lalo na pag nasa adult size na. Silakas po. Alright now guys, in the Philippines, they call them the alarm clock of the rainforest. The Calao, the Philippine Great Hornbill. Na sina Mr. Bill and si JJ. Ay, malamangan po natin sila dalawa guys. Alright, once again folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills ang kanilang mga tuka. It comprises 30% of its body. And also, they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilik mata. Girls, legit na legit yan ha, hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extension. Alright now guys, ngayong hapon, magpapakitang kilos sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Alright now folks, at the count of 3, I need you to shout fly. So what's the word again? Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... Yeah, one more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya, Kuya Jimar, Kuya Richie. Ready na ang ating mga kalaw na folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nagliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. So mas maraming insekto na nakatch ng lalaking kalaw ay mas... The folks, our next animal ambassador, ito po, makulay po ito. At galing po itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now may I call on Barak. Hanapin niyo si Barak guys. Anong klaseng people kaya ito? Asan na ba si Barak? Kita niyo ba folks? And there you go. Diba? Nakakawang kulay. Alright, once again folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Cyril. Okay now, wait lang natin Kuya Cyril. May pa-freezings pa tayo ngayong hapon. Oh, sige. Okay, at mukhang meron daw. Okay now, mga kilos natin na nasa harap. Ayun, lapitan natin si Kuya Cyril. Bibigyan kayo ni Kuya Cyril ng sunflower seeds, no? In short, i-feed natin si Barak. Don't you worry, don't be scared. Barak won't bite you naman. Just open your hands lang, mga kiddos. And be gentle lang po sa pagbigay ng seeds, ha? And folks, limit lang po yan, okay? Sa mga hindi bigyan ng seeds, our blue and gold macaw with a scientific name of Ara-Ararauna, meaning genius. So why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. Yes po, magkasing talino lang po ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Okay, for example guys, na Barak, high five to Kuya Cyril. Appear, oh, high five, appear. Appear, and there you go. Okay, one more, so ano? Appear, and there you go. At alam niyo ba folks, napaka-sweet at lambing nito ni Barak guys. Okay, tingnan niyo folks ha. Okay na Barak, kiss to Kuya Cyril labi sa pisngi. Oh, kiss to Kuya Cyril sa pisngi. Kiss, bigyan ng kiss. Kiss. Wow, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo folks. Pero wait lang guys, huwag nabitin pa daw si Kuya Cyril. Barak, nabitin pa daw si Kuya Cyril mo. Sige, kiss natin ulit boy ha. Pero hindi na sa pisngi daw. Tanungin natin mga bisita natin guys, saan yung gusto i-kiss si Kuya Cyril? Saan? Lumig ko ni Kuya Cyril. O sige, pagbigyan natin sila. Okay na boy! Barak, kiss to Kuya Cyril sa lips daw. Wow! Palamakan po natin si Barak folks. So, di ba? Alright now guys, puti po ang ating next nating tatawagin, just like the clouds. Alright, now may I call on Beauty. Wala pa tayong mga kamay dyan, folks. Palapakan naman po natin sila guys. Alright, once again, folks, that is Beauty, our sulfur crested cockatoo, with the scientific name of Cakatua galereta, and they can be found in Australia and New Guinea. Now, guys, sulfur crested cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga sulfur crested cockatoo spread their wings and lift their crest as part ng kanyang panliligaw sa babaeng cockatoo, but it also an act of discouraging other male to court female sulfur crested cockatoo. At ngayong hapon po, ipapakita yan ni Beauty, guys. Alright, now Beauty, show them what you've got, girl. Okay, spread your wings para maligaw. Wow. Bilis na. Okay, one more pala ito. Kalabitin pala siya. One more, spread your wings. Whip, whip. There you go. Alright, now folks, as part of Beauty's enrichment, cockatoos loop in branches a form of exercise or playing around to ease their boredom. Kuya Michael, anong gagawin ni Beauty kapag siya'y nababagot? And there you go. That is their natural behavior po. So, ginagawa nila yan. Sa wildlife, pag-ikot-ikot yan sila sa mga branches, folks, no? And lastly, just like any other parrot, Beauty also has a zygodactyl feet. So, what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita yan ni Beauty this afternoon. Okay, now Beauty. Din po ito. Now may I call on Jumbo. And there you go. Alright, once again, folks, that is Jumbo, our umbrella crested cockatoo, with the scientific name of Cakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesia. Because little fun fact, they use their nests in twigs and small branches. Unlike other cockatoos that they use their nests in twigs at ngayong hapon, ipapakita ni Jumbo ang kanyang nesting behavior by bringing a paper money. So bago natin gagawin yan, pipili tayo mag-volunteer. Pero bago yan, ay mga kilos natin, pauupuin muna natin. Guys, asan mga parents? Pauupuin muna natin. Alright, asan? Your hands. Alright. Alright, Jumbo, sa ulit na daw natin. Well, there you go. And ayan, palamakan po natin.